To log into Brightspace for the first time, click on Forgot Your Password. Next, go to Reclaim Your Net ID. Here you will enter your MSU ID with the dash. If you do not know your MSU ID, click on I don't know my MSU ID. Next, enter your last name and the last 4 numbers of your social security number. Submit. Now enter your date of birth, month, day, year in this format here, and don't forget the slashes. Submit. And now if all your information is correct, this will be your net ID. Write that down because you will need that. Next, click Self-Service Password Portal. Here you will answer all these challenge questions or set them up. Check your email. If the primary email listed is not correct, enter in an alternate email and select Continue. Tech support, this is for your cell phone, and select a carrier. If everything is done correctly, you will get a green banner with the check mark saying you've successfully completed a new user setup. Now go to the Reset tool. Answer the questions you just set up. Now, these here are the password rules. As you enter them in, enter in your password and you meet all the criteria, you will get a green check mark. Now, these ones here all need to be green. This one does not matter. Once those are both entered, click Reset. It will take a second or two, but if the password is good, you will get 2 green check marks here, and select Finish. Now that you have your net ID and your password created, go back to msun.edu. Once here, click on Current Students. Next, go to Brightspace and enter your username, which is your net ID, and your password. Once you have logged in, this is what it should look like. If you still need further assistance getting logged in, please contact me or Brittany for further assistance.